Welcome to the CompTIA A+, a comprehensive approach course. If you're preparing for a career as an entry-level IT professional or PC service technician, and if your job will require you to perform PC service tasks or provide technical support for end users, then this is the course for you. Throughout this course, you'll learn the essential skills and information you need to install, configure, optimize, troubleshoot, repair, upgrade, and even perform preventive maintenance on PCs, digital devices, and operating systems. Completing this course is also a part of preparing for the CompTIA A certification examinations that you must pass to become a CompTIA A+ certified professional. Let's get started.